Hi there, I'm Steve Briggs and I'm Head of Professional and Academic Development in the library. StudyHub is a free service that's available to all University of Bedfordshire students. We're there to help students to enhance and develop key academic skills, so that's things like writing, information literacy, maths, study skills and ICT. StudyHub is all about learning how to learn effectively, so this is really important in terms of helping you to do the best in your assignments, also really important in terms of working effectively and developing key skills that employers will want in the future. Students can access online learning materials via the Learning Resources website, so if you go to lrweb.beds.ac.uk/StudyHub, there are lots of guides and materials that you can access on there. We also offer a comprehensive drop-in programme across our university campuses. Again, if you go to our website, there's a What's On calendar where you can access upcoming days. If you'd like more information about StudyHub, please send us an email to studyhub@beds.ac.uk.